Hi, so in this video we are going to learn about the equation of a line. So as you can see in green color I have drawn the coordinates. The horizontal one is x coordinate and the vertical one is y coordinate, and point where they intersect is called origin, and we mark it as 0 0. In the positive direction it goes as 1 2 3 4 and so on. In negative direction again it goes as -1 -2 -3, and this is positive y, so this will be 1, this will be 2, and here 3 and 4, and in this direction y is negative, so this will be -1 -2 and -3. So the equation of line is actually an equation which will satisfy all the points on that line. So if we take any point on the line and put the value of x coordinate in that equation, we will be able to find the value of y coordinate, and if we put the value of y coordinate, we should be able to find the value of x coordinate. So how to find the equation of a line? So suppose we have few coordinates over here. Let me call this coordinate as x1 and y1, and let this coordinate be x2 and y2, and let me call this coordinate as x and y. So here if you see properly, all these lines which I have drawn in gray color, these horizontal lines, all of them are parallel to x-axis, and gray vertical lines, all of them are parallel to y-axis. And if this is the angle theta, this theta is measured anti-clockwise, then all these angles, if I join this by this will also be theta, and this angle, this will also be theta, because this line is parallel to this line and is parallel to x-axis, and this line is parallel to this line, and this is parallel to y-axis. That means this triangle is similar to this triangle, and if I draw a bigger triangle like this, both these triangles will also be similar to this bigger triangle. So all these triangles are similar, and all of them are also right angle triangles. This angle is a right angle, and here this angle is a right angle. So this much length will actually be equal to y1 minus y2, and length from here till here will be x1 minus x2, and that will also be similar to this triangle, this bigger triangle. And if I talk about this bigger triangle, this much length will be equal to y1 minus y, and this much length will be equal to x1 minus x, right? And what can you say about y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1? This is equal to tan theta, and this is also equal to y1 minus y divided by x1 minus x, right? Because all of them are similar right angle triangle. So you can say y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to, let me change sign on both the sides over here. So this, if I write as y minus y1, in the denominator I have to write x minus x1, taking minus common from the numerator and taking minus common from the denominator. So this is actually the equation of a line which is passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? And this particular ratio, which is same for any 2 points throughout the line, this is called m, or it is referred as the slope of the line. So this much is the equation for the line passing through 2 points, and this much is actually the equation of the line passing through 1 point. And if I simplify this part, y minus y1 can be written as mx minus mx1. And if I assume a point for which x equal to 0, or if I substitute x1 equal to 0, then this will be the point for which x is 0. Then this point, let me call it as 0 and c. Then y minus c will become mx, or y will become mx plus c, right? This is a specific equation for x1 equal to 0, or it is a generalized equation for a line in which m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept which that particular line makes on y-axis. So this much is c, right? So this is the equation, generalized equation for any line whose slope is m and makes an intercept equal to c at the y-axis, right? And if I make this c equal to 0, then I get y is equal to mx. c equal to 0, that means this point is actually over here. Or you can say that is the line which is passing through the origin. So all these lines which pass through origin, for them c, the intercept on y-axis, will be equal to 0. So this is the special case for the equation of line. The line is passing through the origin. This is the equation of line which is passing through two given points, and this much is the equation of a line which is passing through one given point. And you know the slope of the line, and slope of the line is nothing but tan theta, where theta is the angle between the line and the x-axis, and angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction. So that's all for this video, and in the next video we will talk about the line perpendicular to any given line, how to find the equation of a perpendicular line. So keep watching MathSmart, subscribe to it, and don't forget to press the notification bell, because then only you will get to know about my new upcoming videos. So bye bye till then.